Watching NappyCast by Jason Nappy. Weather in the county right now, it's cloudy. We're going to have a lot of clouds today, wind and some snow showers. Same thing, western mountains, and any sun we're seeing to the south is going to go away. For the most part, be mostly cloudy as the storm really starts to intensify, moving out of here, moving north. So we'll have a little surface trough, a little disturbance in the atmosphere push through, and there will be some changes in the forecast. Right now, in a place like southern Maine and Sanford, sun mixed with clouds, but the clouds are going to come in and it is going to get on the cloudier side. So get ready for some cloud cover, but not a lot of precip outside of the mountains today. So yeah, here we go in the forecast. Let's go ahead and pop things up. And here's the cloud cover, especially in the mountains now. Temperatures are in the 30s and 40s. You can see, a run for some 50s today before the clouds roll in. Down east, it's cloudy along the coastline, but not so much inland. So heading up to Cowes, for example, it's nice and clear. Heading north is where you have the cloud cover. So we'll go ahead and I want to show you that here on the forecast here on Nappy's Notes. Sun and clouds today, breezy. Then we'll say a run for the first 70s of the season. And I expect us to get there on Saturday, 70s. Pretty widespread, although, Central Highlands North, a tough time to get into the 70 on Saturday. Rain Saturday, shower activity, not an all-weekend washout, not even an all-day washout, and then sunny on Easter. So Easter Sunday, looking clear, but it will be noticeably cooler on Easter Sunday. Just trying to get rid of old man winter around here. Sun and clouds, mountain snow today. That'll intensify this afternoon and die down in the overnight. West wind 15 to 25, gusting to 30 plus. Mountains at 36, cooler with the cloud cover, and then inland and the coast get to right around 50 today, and then the clouds roll in and will cool off tonight. Clouds to clearing, mountain snow showers, no snow really south of the mountains or outside of the mountains. It's certainly not going to see accumulation outside of the mountains today. Mountains 28 degrees tonight, and then we'll be in the mid-30s inland and coast here. So the wind will keep the temperature up a bit, but second half of the night, when the wind dies down, that's when temperatures start to tumble a bit with radiational cooling. So for today, for the mariners, a small craft is up. Same thing for tonight with that wind out of the west. It's a pretty dry breeze. Now, right now in Eastport, you see the sun is out. Lewis and Auburn, Portland, a mixture of sun and clouds. Tomorrow, we're going to go from clouds to sunshine in the mountains. On Friday, we start off with sun in the mountains, and then we go over to rain showers late, so more towards the evening time. And then on Saturday, rain showers, nothing terribly heavy, but look at that temperature of 65. The warmest day of the next 10 in the mountains is going to be on Saturday, clearing out Easter Sunday, and then next week, some April showers, but no real big April storms. We're not going to have any washouts or, I think a half inch or less for precip from these showers at most, and that's it. So right now in Bangor, it is sunny and clear. That's going to change. Clouds roll in this afternoon. We'll go to mostly sunny tomorrow. Friday, look at that temperature, 60, and then Saturday, 71 degrees. Looks great. Some scattered showers clearing off Easter Sunday, and then we get around 60 next week for a few days, really. So temperatures are going to warm up, a little roller coaster ride there, but even at the coastline, no big storms, right? So it's a sunny sky on Thursday, 55. We'll take that. Same thing on Friday with the showers coming in late, and then make a run for 70. That was the first 70 of the season. If we can get there on Saturday. Sunday we cool off, Easter Sunday, need the coat again. Same thing on Monday, chilly to Tuesday. And then we had a few showers around Tuesday, Thursday at the coastline with mid-50s by the end of next week into basically next weekend with mid-50s around, but we are dry. So no big storms coming, but temperatures riding up a bit on the roller coaster ride. Go to nappycast.com for the latest.